2014 to 2020 Nissan Rogue wheel brake replacement. Let's start by compressing our caliper using a screwdriver like this. Make sure you save your old brake hardware, by the way, because the new brake rotor and pad, that's all it comes with. It doesn't come with hardware. Let's remove our caliper bolt. You need to only remove the bottom bolt. The upper bolt just swing, so you can just start it out. It's at 40 millimeter. Let's remove our caliper bracket. It is 80 millimeter. 17. I'll take that back. It's 17 mil. Let's take our rotor out using a hammer like this. Let's clean our brake rotor using our wire brush. You need to clean your old brake hardware. I'm gonna use a wire brush like this. There we go. Let's put our rotor in place. Some motor you have to use a brake cleaner to remove the rust protection, and on those rotors it doesn't have that, so I was good to go. Let's grease our new brake pads. Brake pad number 1 and brake pad number 2. There it is. Let's grease a caliper pin. We're going to slide it in. Grease the bottom bolt too. It's a bolt in the pin at the same time. There it is. And don't forget to pump your brakes before test drive, guys. And put everything back together. Thanks for watching, guys. See you on the next one.